Hello! Welcome to another day. Yeah, so today, what we are going to do, a little bit of cleaning, but you'll notice I brought the air compressor, an air hammer. I've also got the air drill right there. My plan is to, so much stuff, drill holes so I can build this drain through here and into the laundry room where the sump pump is. Make it so the sump pump goes down here instead of going out through the regular sewer out, because that makes water go up into the sink and it's just icky. And I want to smash this down. Use the air hammer, chisel. I tried using a regular hammer and chisel, just was not working. This was a closet here. Not a closet. Technically, really, it was called a cold room, which in the 40s and 50s and old times was awesome because you put your canned goods in here and the moisture would come in through the wall, keep it cold. But in new times, you don't want water coming in. You don't use a cold room because you have refrigerators. And a cold room just makes mold. So I've been trying to fix it. You can see there was a wall here. And I've water seal painted, but in some places like this, just doesn't seem to work. And you can see here, because this house sucks, it just keeps cracking, so I'm going to just live with a little bit of water leaking in and just finish these walls. So we're gonna get working on some of this and see what happens. Alright, quick thing while I remember. Don't forget hearing protection because this is going to be really loud, especially in this room. But, see, this is the larger 3/8 size quick connect adapter. You can see it's just a lot bigger. So a lot more air can flow through there. Here's the side that goes in there. Here's the bigger one. Obviously a little bit different connectors because one... this is... There we go, that'll work. One screws in the one way, but you can see they have the same thread and everything. So, I'm going to put this on the air compressor side because it still has the little one over there, and everything will run this larger size diameter. Then I just need to get my auto oiler installed. Woohoo! Alright, that sucks. Camera app crashed while I was filming and I didn't realize it. But I will give you what I learned. Wear gloves. I would definitely wear a mask. I forgot how dusty this is. Ear protection is awesome. The pointy headed chisel seems to work a lot better than this flat-headed chisel. I got from here all the way to about there done, as you can see with the giant pile. I don't know how long it's been. It's been a while. Way too long. And you can see just dust everywhere. I did cover the cat food. He'll need fresh water, but that's okay. But it's time for a break. I'm tired of the noise. I'm hungry. So I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to see if I can borrow my friend's trailer so I can... I keep forgetting. I have all the blocks from this wall sitting in the backyard still that I need to get rid of, take to the dump. But... oh, other tips. This air compressor works pretty good. If I had a bigger one, I'd be able to run this hammer more constantly, and I'd have a lot more done. I have to keep stopping and let it build up pressure. And I did once have an idea, but now I don't want to because I want to move out of here as soon as possible, is to build a, or get a big 220 volt compressor in the garage and run lines into the house with quick connects. Because then I can just turn the compressor on outside. It won't be super duper loud, and I would be able to chisel this stuff. I'd be able to use my air drill to do this. I would be able to do painting stuff with my air painting tools I have. Just so many options. And I got an air nailer. I've also got a, what is it? Oh, air stapler, brad nailer. I like air tools. But anyways. Oh yeah, also, I forgot, tip. Box fan with an air filter for a furnace on it. That will help keep down a lot of this dust. So I'm going to set that up also. I got some broken air filters that I'm going to use. And I don't even tape them to it. I don't do anything. I just turn the fan on and the fan sucks it to it and sucks everything through. It helps keep the dust down a lot. Now I'm going to have to wipe everything down. My clothes are going to be all gross. But it's mostly just this stuff over here. So we're going to get that done. We're going to get lunch. We're going to get fuses, mini fuses for my truck. Because one of them for the trailer blew. And I can't find my package that I bought for the old truck. And we've decided, since Dad's going to be home soon, we're going to stop this project. And we're not going to do the drilling project. Tomorrow we're getting up early because we have to go to the unemployment office and hopefully get my unemployment straightened out. And I go back to work next week. So, some good, some bad. I found out this works better than expected, which is awesome. I just want to get... in reality, I want to get all of it done. But for now, I just want to get this done. And then a spot under the bed by the wall there where water leaks in, I want to make it as flat as possible and cover that with the water sealing paint, so hopefully it doesn't happen anymore. Anyways, I'll be back to update with what happens with the rest of the stuff. Alrighty, we are on day 2, gonna do some more smashing. Won't do a lot of it because Dad's gonna be home soon, woke up late, and I had to go to the unemployment office. Good news, got that stuff solved. So, to show you my updates, I found my mask. Still got my earmuffs. I need to get prescription safety glasses for real. These are just regular glasses, but for this, they work well enough. And yeah, that's my filter fan filter. Whatever you want to call it. So, I'm going to get to work on this. Hopefully get this hump, and that hump done. And worry about the rest another day. Update you guys later. Woo! Alright, so. Oh, look, here comes Mike. He was scared of all the noise. And as you can see, I get crap everywhere. So we got a lot of cleaning to do. But I don't know if you can tell, but this is nearly flat now. There's some spots where I dug in where I should probably fill it in, but I probably won't because I'm lazy. But that worked awesome with the filter fan. There was hardly any dust blowing around, which was awesome. So we're gonna say goodnight. See you guys tomorrow. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We never really know. And keep trying new things, and if you fail, learn from it. Peace out.